Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2017 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are connectivity group, Max tow package, quick order package 24R, 8 speakers, Alpine 9-speaker with all-weather subwoofer, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.